Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Discord, how to uninstall from Windows 10, 8, 7. Right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. Select Discord. Click End Task. Close and exit Task Manager. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Select Discord, click Uninstall. Right-click Start button. Click Run. Type %app data %. Click OK. Delete Discord folder. Right-click Start button. Click Run. Type %local app data %. Click OK. Delete Discord folder. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.